Hey guys, welcome to Ranjit and his Minpen channel. If you are new and you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you would receive our notification whenever we upload. Today we are going to make a simple diet food, a side dish for chapati. All you require is chicken. I have taken one leg piece. Then I have taken green pepper. Uh, your wish, you can choose any color of your choice, but I got green, so I'm taking green pepper. Then broccoli florets. Then you would require black pepper powder for some spice. And the next ingredient is Himalayan pink salt, which I normally use in all my recipes since I am doing weight loss. So in all my recipes I would be using this Himalayan pink salt, so I would recommend you also to use Himalayan pink salt. So all these make together a perfect side dish for your chapati, which you would love it. And whenever you have any food cravings, you can store this and you can have a munch whenever you feel to have something. This would fill your stomach. And all the gym goers, you can use this recipe. You can have at least once in a day. Since I'm a gym goer and I take this in my lunch or in my dinner, make sure that you rinse everything nicely. So first step is that take a big kadai and clean your broccoli florets. You might see some worms, so soak it in hot water, add little salt and blanch it nicely. So you can see me doing the process. It's a wait process. You have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes for blanching it. After this, you can keep this broccoli florets aside and let it cool down. Then you can drain the water. Now I'm going to cook my chicken. Same process what I did for broccoli, but you have to cook your chicken for nearly 20 minutes. You should make sure that your chicken is washed nicely and add little turmeric and a little salt. Then you can start blanching it. So if you have a cooker, you can whistle it. Most of the bachelors will not have cooker. They would be having a big kadai or one big spatula or one spoon or a plate to eat. So this all a bachelor will have in his room, because I'm still a bachelor and I was living in Hyderabad. So every day this recipe would be my main dish for my chapati, and you would believe or not, I reduced around 4 kgs eating only this. I mean reduced 4 kgs in a week. Remember, I used to go to gym and do my cardio. All these resulted in my weight loss. And now you can see the chicken is cooked very well. You can keep this aside and let it cool down, and you have to shred these into very small pieces, so it would be very nice when you have this with chapati. Since I'm here, I'm in my home. I'm kind of a messy guy. When I was in Hyderabad or in Mumbai, I used to make my kitchen would be always dirty. But here I can't take that advantage. Otherwise, my mom would throw me out of the house. So it's better that to clean everything before I leave the kitchen after making my recipes. So now you can see that my chicken is well cooked. So I'm just going to keep this aside. So now I'm going to knead the atta. So I have put flour, some Himalayan pink salt and required amount of water to knead the atta. Make sure your atta is soft. Make sure I usually use my hands, but my mom insisted, dude, I bought this machine, at least use this. So for her happiness, I'm using this machine. I normally prefer using hands because for last 2 to 3 years, I would say that I have become expertise in making chapatis. You will believe or not, I make perfect round chapatis. I'm not any brand ambassador to promote this machine. So this is a Preeti Zodiac, and you can see it has kneaded perfectly. Now let's make the side dish which we require for chapati. So same Himalayan pink salt. Then I have here broccoli florets which I have blanched, and I have cut capsicum into small pieces, and I have shredded chicken into small pieces. Then you have a coriander, then you have an egg. See here, egg is an optional. If you really want egg, you can use it. I personally take eggs because I have to intake so much proteins since I'm going gym, and as well as I also take protein shake. But egg is a good source of good protein. Now take the kadai. I'm not adding any oil. Make sure you have a non-stick tawa. The tawa which I'm using, or the kadai what I'm using, the dish doesn't stick. So make sure that your tawa or your kadai it doesn't stick, okay, to the food. Now you just scramble your egg. That's the first step you have to do, and you have to wait patiently. Now I'm doing the scrambling. Once done, you have to add salt. um, Normally I use the powder Himalayan pink salt, but uh, unfortunately I had this, so I don't know the measurement for this rock Himalayan pink salt. If I still require salt needs to be added, I would add it at the end. Then you can add everything since it is already cooked. Cap here, the capsicum alone is not cooked. Reason behind, if you cook the capsicum, it will become soggy. It's always better add in the last, but here I'm adding it with the broccoli florets, then shredded chicken. Since all these are already cooked, we just need to saute it. Make sure that your gas is on medium heat. Now let me search the turmeric. Yeah, turmeric is over there. So take the turmeric, then you are going to add pepper powder, which is very important, and this is the powder which adds some spiciness to your dish. So add little bit of turmeric and generous amount of pepper powder. I always prefer my recipes to be spicy. So you have to cook this for, after adding all these spices, you have to cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes. I would say that is too much. Just see that everything is cooked very well, then you can keep it aside. I just had a taste of it. Salt was bit less, so I added extra. And here, that's it. Our recipe is ready. Before displaying it to you, let me clean the kitchen and my countertop because it is way too messy. If my mom comes and sees me, she's really gonna throw me out of my house. Now let's make some chapatis. Normally I take 3 or 2 chapatis in my dinner. I have my dinner around 6:30 p.m. or 7 p.m. max. Then I leave myself to fast for 12 hours. My next meal, breakfast, would be around 8 a.m. or 9:30 in the morning. So here you can see how perfect I'm making round chapatis. For next 2 minutes you can see only I'm making chapatis. If you want you can skip. The chapatis which I'm making is a fulka. There is no oil. I won't use any oil in my recipes. So this is the fulka which I'm doing. The best part is that when I keep it on the fire, I want the chapatis to raise up. Here you can see it is raising up. It means that I'm doing justice to my fulkas. I make sure that you don't burn your fulkas. It doesn't taste good. Being South Indian, I really love having rice, but due to certain rules and regulations by my coach, I had to eat chapatis. Sorry, fulka. So right now I'm in stage of building my body, so gaining up muscles, and I just want to look muscular. So I'm already bit muscular, but I wanted to make myself a more chiseled look. So I'm trying all these recipes that would help me to reduce more weight. Finally, my chapatis. Why I keep telling chapatis? My fulkas are done, so I have kept for display. So I made three perfect fulkas, and you can see my broccoli chicken side dish, or whatever you name it. You can use this as a wrap also. You can have it, you can keep this inside your chapatis. If you want you can use any oil. Prefer olive oil is good. And another thing is that if you want to add, you can add nimbu, lemon into it to get this tangy flavor. So simple dish, and this fills your tummy. If you eat one small cup also, this would fill your tummy and you will not feel the cravings. So you can try this and let me know. I would come up with another new recipe, diet recipe, which I personally have it. Thanks for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe. And if you have not still subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. Until then, it's bye from Ranjit. Bye bye.